What's going on, everybody? Today I'm making a video here on this Hercules vacuum pump, brand new. They didn't even have it on the floor. They had to get it from the back room. It does come with oil. Put your oil in there. Make sure the valve here is open. When it comes in, it's up like this, so it's shut. That way you can start pulling your vacuum. Just started not too long ago, about 5 minutes or so. Now my gauges are a little off. It's never at zero. It's always maybe like 2 little notches up. So I'm very close to where I need to be, to that 30. Did a brand new compressor. So this thing is already paying itself off. I did have to buy a battery and charger, but I did get a free 2 out of that. So I mean, overall, a great purchase. It's pretty quiet, as you guys can see. It's not blowing my eardrums out. We're very close to the machine. Sitting on the truck, don't have to worry about the vibrations or anything like that. It's pretty sturdy. Nice little base right here. Absorbs the vibrations too. Very quiet. As of now, I definitely recommend it. You guys go check it out. If you want one of these, 5-year warranty. I mean, for a brushless tool, you can't beat that. The other vacuum pumps they got there are about the same price. They only come with 90-day warranty. You got to buy a 2-year replacement. This one's 5-year since it's brushless. But yeah, there ain't much to say about this machine. If you're mobile, mechanic, you like to do your own work, you don't want to be constrained with cords and all that stuff, get yourself one of these right now in Texas. Triple digit heat. So wish me luck.